Very good morning, dear students. Dear children, in the 6th standard, you are going to learn about the chapter perimeter and area. What is mean by perimeter, area? You are going to learn briefly in this chapter. Dear children, before going to start the chapter, you should know about some information about what is mean by closed figures and also what is mean by open figures. So you in the primary classes you learned that what is meant by open figures and closed figures. Any figures, any diagrams, if it starts in one point and which ends in the same point, it is called as closed figures. Closed and open. Open figures means any figures or any diagrams which starts in one point and ends in another point, it is called as open figures. So which are the examples for open figures and closed figures? Observe, dear children. So here I would like to show example of open figures. V 3. So it starts here, it ends here. So it is also open figure. 5. So it is also an example of open figure. Now you come to the closed figures. So here I will start here. I will put a circle. So it is a closed figure. Triangle. It is also closed figure. Or square. Closed figure. Because where it starts in the same point it ends. Rectangle. So these are the closed figures. Here, in closed figures, you are going to learn about perimeter and area. Dear students, so open figures, you are not going to learn any perimeter and area. So you come to closed figures. What is mean by perimeter? For any closed figures, if you are measuring the length, if you are measuring the boundary of the closed figures, then it is called as perimeter. The length of the boundary of the closed figures we called as perimeter. Once you remember what is meant by perimeter, the length of the boundary of the any closed figure, it is called as perimeter. So in this class I am going to explain only the perimeters of some closed figures, dear children. In the next class, in another period, I am going to take what is meant by area, how to find out the area. So today completely you are going to learn about the perimeter only. So to find out the closed figures like square, rectangle, triangle, how to find out the perimeter? Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. What is the perimeter of square, dear children? In square, all the sides are equal. Now I am going to show a simple shape of square. In square, all the sides are equal. All sides are equal. How many sides are there? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 sides are equal. Then what is the perimeter of square? If you add 1 side plus 2 side, 3 side, 4 side. So it is 4 times side, 4 times side. So this is the formula to find out the perimeter of a square. 4 times its side, because all sides are equal in square. So that the perimeter of square is 4 times its sides. Next, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Dear children, here also perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle is also example for closed figures, and in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So observe here, I am going to show a sheet which is in rectangular shape. Here 1 and this side and this side are equal. Top and bottom sides are equal. That means these bottom and the top is opposite sides, and left hand side and right hand side are opposite. That means there are two lengths, two breadths will come. This is length and it is also length. There are two lengths. This is breadth, it is also breadth. Two breadths will come. So 2 length, 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. So here both the cases 2 will be there. You take out 2 outside. 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth is the formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Next you come to the another very simple closed figure. It is perimeter of triangle. What is triangle, dear children? Triangle, it is a simple closed figure bounded by 3 sides. So how to find out the perimeter of triangle? Observe, this is in the shape of triangle. One side, it is the second side, it is the third side. So sum of its all the 3 sides. Suppose if you are taking A, this is B, this is C, then you say that perimeter is equal to, perimeter of triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. That is the sum of its sides. So perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of its sides. Then you are getting the perimeter of triangle. Dear children, now I am going to explain the questions, the problems given in my practice time first. It is there in the page number in your textbook. These are the questions are there in 184 and 185. So after completion of this class, you please complete the remaining questions. So I hope you will finish, because these are very simple questions. You can do it by yourselves. Once you watch the video, then you can do the remaining questions. So I would like to list out the formulas here. So the first one is perimeter of square. What is the perimeter of square, dear children? It is 4 into side, because each side is same. Next, perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 times 2 into length plus breadth. 2 times length plus breadth. So it can be also written as 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Next, perimeter of triangle. What is the perimeter of triangle, dear children? If the sides are A, B, C, then you say that A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are the 3 sides. 3 sides. Now I should start the questions which are taken from the exercise. It is 13.1, not only 1, it is 13.1. It is there in the page number 181 and 185. Okay, so the first main is like this. Find perimeter. Find the perimeter So they have given first one, it is length is 5 centimeter, 5 meter, and B breadth is, breadth it is 3 meter. So B length is 8.4 meter, breadth is 2.4 centimeter, 2.4 meter. Okay, here there are two questions I have taken in the first main. Please observe carefully. Length 5 meter and breadth is 3 meter. It is clearly, it's a rectangle, because if they have given only one side, it is understood in which shape all the sides are equal, it is square. In square they will give the side, whereas if it is rectangle, the length and breadth they have given. So solution, first one, A, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Observe dear children, 2, write it as it is, into. What is the length here in the first one? It is 5 plus breadth is 3. So next is 2 into 5 plus 3 is 8. So 2 8s are 16 meter. So perimeter of rectangle is 16 meter. Observe dear children, if you are having doubt, draw the diagram of rectangle. Okay, here is a rectangle. Its length is 5 meter and breadth is 3 meter. What is the length of this one? It is also 5 meter. It is 3 meter, because opposite sides are equal. 5 meter, 5 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3 becomes, it is 16 meter. The answer remains the same. So similarly, can you do it second one by yourselves? So the next is B, perimeter of rectangle is equal to, what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. Substitute the values. 2 into, if you put into also same, if you not put also, it is understood, it is into only. What is the length here? It is 8.4 plus, what is the breadth here? 2.4. Observe dear children, first you add it inside the brackets, because you know the DMAS rules. First you do the operations given inside the bracket, then division, multiplication, addition, and finally subtraction. So to write that as it is, 8 plus 4 plus 2.4. If you are having doubt, you can do it. 8.4 plus 2.4. So add it. 4 plus 4, 8. Put the decimal point. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. It is 10.8. Now you multiply 2 with 10.8. 10.8 into 2. 2 8s up. It is 16. Write 1 carry. 2 zeros, it is 0 only. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 ones are 2. What is the answer here? It is, put the decimal point after one digit from right. So 21.6. 21.6. What is the answer, dear children? The perimeter of rectangle whose length is 8.4 and breadth is 2.4 meter is, it is 21.6 meter. So observe here, It is a rectangle. The length is 8.4. Here also 8.4. The breadth is 2.4. Here also 2.4. You add it just 8.4 plus 8.4. That is 8.4 plus 8.4. So add it. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Next 2.4 plus 2.4. So it is 8. 2 plus 2 becomes, it is 4. Now you add these two. That is 16.8 and 4.8. How much? 8 plus 8 becomes 16. 1 carry. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 21.6. You got the same answer. It means that in any method if you are doing, the sum or the answer remains the same. Then only the solution is correct. If you get different answers, then the solution is wrong. Now I should proceed to the second main. Please observe carefully. So the second main is find the perimeter of the following figures. Figures they only given, dear children. Observe, look at the textbook. It is the second main. They only given the figures. Find the perimeter of the following figures. So second main, find perimeter. So here, first one they have given square. Use the square, perimeter of square formula, then you can easily find it. Now I should proceed to the next. The shape is like this. The bottom side base is 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. This side is 3 centimeter. Again 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Now you find this perimeter. So another shape also given. It is triangle. 2.5. It is also 2.5. It is also 2.5 centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. Okay. So here find the perimeter of these figures. Perimeter is equal to sum of its sides of this diagram, that is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus again 3 plus 4. Again don't take 5. 5 already taken. So from here we started. From here you take. Then this side, again from this side, and finally you reach to the same point. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 4 is 19 centimeter. What is the perimeter of this diagram, dear children? It is 19 centimeter. Similarly, can you find the perimeter of triangle? So, perimeter of triangle it is equal to A plus B plus C. This is A, B, C. So, A plus B plus C. So, what is A? 2.5 centimeter. B is also 2.5 centimeter. C is also 2.5 centimeter. Now, you add it, then how much you are getting? You observe carefully. Observe, dear children, 2.5 plus 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5. How much you are getting? It is 5. 5 plus 2.5 becomes, it is 7.5 centimeter. Observe here, 2.5 plus 2.5. Here you are getting 5. 5 plus 2.5, you are getting 7.5. The perimeter of this triangle is 7.5 centimeter. So in this way, you find out the perimeter. You just add the sides, sum of its sides, you are getting the perimeter of any shapes. It's very simple questions. So try to complete remaining questions. Now I should proceed to the find the perimeter of the following squares whose sides measures given here. It is the third main. The third main is find the perimeter of following squares. So the first one is A, 5.6 meter, B, 5.5 centimeter, C, 8 centimeter. Okay. So these are also very simple, dear children. Look at here. First I have taken the first one, A. Perimeter of square. What is the perimeter of square? It is 4 into side. So side they have given here. So it is 4 into, what is the side given? It is 5.6. So multiply 4 6 it is 24. 4 right here, 2 carry. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 becomes 22. Here decimal point is there after one digit. Put decimal point here. So it is meter. They have given the unit as meter. In the perimeter also you write the unit as meter only. If they will give in centimeter, the perimeter unit is also centimeter. The perimeter of first square whose side is 5.6 and perimeter is 22.4 meter. Do it second one by yourselves. So B, in the same way, perimeter of square. What is the perimeter of square? 4 into side. So 4 write it as it is. Side. What is the side, dear children? It is 5.5. So multiply 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. So 2 carry. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. So what is the answer you are getting? 22.0 centimeter. 22.0 is nothing but 22 only. In this way you find out the perimeter of square. And finally last one, it is C, perimeter of square. C, perimeter of square is equal to 4 into, what is the side given here? It is side, it is 4 into, the side is 8 centimeter, 4 8s or 8 4s, it is 32 centimeter. The perimeter of the square whose side is 8 centimeter and its perimeter is 32 centimeter. So I hope you will finish the third main also. Now I should proceed to the next main. It is fourth main. Find the perimeter of triangles. Find the perimeters of following triangles. A, it is 6 centimeter. Then the second one is 4 centimeter. And the third one is 5 centimeter. Observe next one. B, it is 10 centimeter. It is 5.6 centimeter and 5.2 centimeter. Here I have taken two questions. Remaining question, dear students, try to do it yourselves. So solution. A. Now I am taken the first one. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is equal to, what is the perimeter of triangle? Sum of its sides. Sum of its sides. How many sides are there in the triangle? There are 3 sides. So that the sides are 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 centimeter. The perimeter of the first triangle, it is 15 centimeter. So second one also, do it yourselves by in the same method. It is B perimeter of triangle is equal to, it is sum of its all the 3 sides. Sum of its all the 3 sides. So what is the first side? 10 centimeter. The second one is 5.6 plus third one is 5.2. So if it is decimal value, you write it in the side, that is 10. If it is not having decimal, 10.0, 5.6, 5.2. Add it. 6 plus 2, it is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8 only. Put the decimal point. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. 10 plus 0 is 10 only. 0. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 20.8. 20.8. They have given in centimeter. The unit also centimeter. So in this way, you find the perimeters of the following figures. So dear children, now remaining questions are word problems. That is, they have given in sentence. So try to understand and write the answer. What is the next one? It is fifth one. So fifth is find the perimeter of a square of a square board whose each side is 13 centimeter. Observe dear children. Whose side? Find the perimeter of a square board. Here is a square board. Each side is 13 centimeter. 13. Here also 13. This is also 13. It is also 13. You need to find out its perimeter. Solution. Perimeter of square board is equal to 4 into side. What is the 4 into, what is the 4? The side measurement is 13. That is 4 13s or 13 4s. How much dear children? It is 52 centimeter. It is also centimeter. Then the perimeter also is in the unit of centimeter. Whatever the unit they have given, the perimeter remains, the unit of perimeter remains same. Dear students, in the next class I am going to explain how to find out the area of some closed figures like square, rectangle, triangle and as well as the circle. Dear students, remaining questions, remaining problems given in the My Practice Time 13.1. It is there in the page number 184 and 185. Try to complete all the problems. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.